welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I will be doing lemon pepper chicken. Y'all, this chicken is so delicious. Why wait? Let's get started. So here we are guys. The ingredients are 2 pounds chicken wings, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 3 tablespoons lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, ½ cup cornstarch, and ½ teaspoon salt. Now I'm cutting my chicken wings in two. I'm also cutting away the tips. If you prefer frying yours like this guys, it's all up to you. I just prefer to cut mine off. Now I will use some lime to clean the chicken. See guys, the lime helps to remove all this skin that is not necessary. Okay guys, let's take it for a wash. Perfect. So now I will add my seasonings. Now I will combine. This is looking so good already guys. Get all the seasonings in guys. Don't be afraid to rub the seasoning in. Get all the flavors in. Now I will cover and marinate for 40 minutes or you can marinate overnight. So now, my beautiful, I will be making my butter sauce. So here I have a half stick of butter. You can keep it on a low flame. 1 tablespoon lemon pepper, some black pepper, a teaspoon dry parsley flakes, and a teaspoon lemon juice. This is going to be so good, guys. Really good, delicious. So that's it, guys. Easy, very easy. There's no reason for you not to try this one, guys. Very easy. Now I will add to my bowl flour, cornstarch, now I will add pieces of chicken to the mixture. I will now shake away the extra flour. Now that the chicken is floured, I will set them aside for 5 minutes. So now, guys, I will deep fry. Now I'm adding the sauce, guys. Here we go again. So here we go, guys, beautifully done. So let's enjoy this recipe and let me know by leaving me a comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.